dumping your matcha powder straight up into your milk and giving it a little stir, you deserve a forehead click, okay? Because we're not doing that no more. We are doing the paste method, and that's gonna have your matcha So what you're gonna need, boo-boos, is some high quality matcha. We get ours from Tea Master. We love that place. And then I have my little bamboo kit because I'm a little bougie. So I have my bowl, I have my sifter, and I have my whisk. And as for water, I'm telling you, room temperature or warm water. Emphasis on room temp or warm. Did you write that down? Oh no, okay, I'll wait. I'll wait.
And while you're waiting, it's good to know that warm water or room temperature is important because hot boiling water is going to degrade the catechins, which are the antioxidants. And you need those in your life, you know what I mean? Keep you healthy. And hot water is also going to amplify those bitter chemicals. And we don't want no bitter flavor, we want it smooth, okay?
Smooth. So this is what it should look like, and we are going to add in a little bit of water just to cover it. Again, if you need a measurement, I'm talking about 1 to 2 tablespoons because right now we are creating a paste. So just a little bit in there, just like that, creating the paste. And then I'm going to get my bamboo whisk, which I've been soaking in water. Now, I need you to make sure you are hitting this with a W or M motion. No circles over here. I don't want to see you stirring this up like a witch's brew, okay? W or M, we're going to keep it in for misfits and matcha.
Because the W or M motion is more friction than a circular motion.
Okay, look at you coming in here dropping the knowledge.
Good job, boo-boo.
Oh, thank you. So a good indication that you're doing is right if you start seeing a little bit of foam, little bit of bubbles in your matcha mix. And what I like to do next is get my cup, get my ice. Hold on, because I don't have my ice, so let me, Now I have my ice, and I like to pour a little bit more water in my matcha mix, and then again, give it that quick WM motion again, just like that, a little faster. And then I like to go in with a little oat milk, just like that, just like a pack. And I'm going in with I think this is a toasted marshmallow syrup, just like that. And then I like to finish it off with the matcha. That pour is super satisfying, and just like that.
And then come in and drink the matcha.
I know the fuck not. Excuse you. Give me my matcha. Kevin, I will neck chop. I guess now clap or whatever.